How to correctly create a contract in Pandadoc. In this video, I will explain each and everything that how you can create a contract, how you can edit them in Pandadoc in just few steps. So let's get started. Here you can see I'm already into the dashboard of Pandadoc here. On the left side, you will see a lot of option. If I just click on document, you can see all my document will be available here. So for example, let's say that this is my one of the contract which I want to add. By the way, if you don't have any contract or something but you want to make it in just few minutes or in few hours, it's very possible with the Pandadoc. On the left top corner you will see option of document, so just click on document. If I just click on it, you can see there's a blank document. If you have a digital templates, then it's great, but if you don't have, then it's fine. You can just go to the template menu bar, and here you will find a lot of option the template which is available. Right now I have very limited number of template as I'm into the 14 days free trial, but if you would have taken any of the plan, you would have got a lot of templates, right? So here you can see that, for example, the contract which I want to create right now, which is a business plan. So I'll just click on a create document here, and I will just write rename it business plan contract, right? You can just, if you want to add to a different person, you can just add it from here, but for right now I will be the only one. Once it's done, I'll just click on continue. If you want to skip, you can also skip here. By the way, the continue is a better option for now. So once it's done, you can see this is my business plan document. The contract one, I can just edit it. For example, let's say I'll just write here contract, and you can see prepared by, I can just edit my name and everything. This is a summary. You can just change with the help of ChatGPT, or if you have with you yourself, then it's great according to your requirement, according to your business, or according to your clients, right? And here you can just change each and everything. On the right side, you have seen a lot of option. This is the text. For example, I just want to add here, I will take my mouse here, I'll just click on it, and I'll just enter a text. Once I click on a text, there will be an option to add a text here. In the same way, I can just add, change title and everything, right? You have to explore each and everything. You can see a lot of features is available right now, but this is very much enough for me. And here, this is a lot of option. For example, this is content library. If you want to add one more person, you can just click on manage recipient. And here I can just write everything about my business plan contract, right? So it's very easy to do it, and I hope you found this video very useful.